Very exciting. Just received our 250 conversation business cards. Unbelievable. These come in nice little stacks with a band around them. And they fold flat nice, and they have a little latch there, so you don't have to worry about that. And they stay folded. And when you open them up and do our little dialogue, this is what you see. Blanked out our personal information, but you just open those up. You said, you ever seen a business card like that? And they laugh and laugh. It's really realistic. You say, you know, this little website down here is worth more than $100. Take a look at that. Matter of fact, give me your email and I'll get some other information to you. If you don't get it, it doesn't matter, because that's your GoDaddy capture page. That you can change your capture page, but that's your short GoDaddy link that you purchased before you ordered your cards. The GoDaddy company and others will show you how to link it to your favorite capture page, about 10 of them. And of course, if they don't even have to type it in, then you take a picture of the QR code and it goes right to your capture page. And the cost of these cards is easily overcome, because you get $25 for every affiliate who signs up, and you can get up to 100% match of their 5,000 2x10. Very effective walk and talk system. So at the link on this page, you can go ahead and type in your personal information and go from there, and there's a few more instructions following this video. This is the most unbelievable conversation business handout card that you've ever seen. It's time to get excited about ordering these great cards. When you go to Tools and to the Promotion Center, it's going to be amazing to see the capture pages that you have. You log in and just find your capture pages. After you see this video, you're just going to go down here and go to the Place Your Order tab. It's going to bring you out to the exclusive Healthynuliving by this unbelievable printer of this inventor of this card. You scan down that page, you're going to see where you choose the quantity and the pricing, and some descriptions about the card and other information that you might like to see, background for the card. Just an amazing vehicle. And then you're going to come in here to customize your card. A little bit of information about customizing, but you don't worry about that unless you want to change it some. But you're going to do the standard ordering if you would like. You click on the item, type in your name, your phone number, your email, and put in your short URL, which will direct to your favorite capture page. And then you're done, and it takes you back out here to choose your quantity, and that'll take you to your shopping cart, and you're done. And good luck.